In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Telegram sensitive content. So what you want to do is you want to open up any web browser. So if you're on a PC, you could use something like Google, but if you're on an Android device, go ahead and actually open up Google. And if you're on an iOS, go ahead and open up Safari, because we need to do this on the Telegram web browser, not on the application. So you just want to go ahead and look up Telegram login just like so, and then log in like you normally would. And if it's your first time ever using the web browser, you may need to go ahead and log in, but just go ahead and do that. Anyways, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on these three bars just like so. Once you're over here, please go ahead and select on settings. Then all you want to do is you want to keep on scrolling down until you see this option that says privacy and security. Once you're over here, all you need to do is you need to scroll down, and then you're going to see this option that says sensitive content, and you want to make sure that is turned on. And at any point in time, you can go ahead and turn it off, but basically you need to make sure that this is turned on so that you're able to see all of the content on Telegram. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.